Hi, this is Form 3 Math Trigonometric. The diagram below shows a building with PQT, a point of horizontal ground. This is your point of horizontal ground. Length of PQ is 1/3 of PT. This is 1/3 PQ of PT. So the remaining of QT here has to be 2/3. All right? Okay, next, let's take a look at the first question. If the angles of the depressions of point P from R, so you have to, set the meniscus line here, really align with your R, and then draw P to the point, okay? And then what you needed to do is P from R is 68 degrees. So this one is 68 degree. Thus, this will give you, this doesn't really look like 68 degree. Let me show you how to do 68 degree. Okay. So this one here is 68. Thus, this one is 22 degree. All right. So with all the information given to you, the question says you need to calculate the height of the building, which is referred to the length of RT. So the length of RT, okay, is equal to something meter. And this is what the questions are about. Now, how to use trigonometry, what it has to do with this kind of like question. Now, please take a look at this formula. So, Sha and Towa. We know that the angles of 22, the straight line in front or opposite of the angles of 22 degrees is actually known as the opposite line. All right, and then this is right angle triangle, which the longest line over here facing your 90 degrees angle here is your hypotenuse. But one we are looking for is this one. RT is now is known as your adjacent line. So when you have O and A, adjacent line and the opposite, we will start to solve the question using this formula, O and A. All right. So the first one, you will use OA tangent 22 because I'm referring to this angle is equal to O over A. All right. So tangent 22 degree equals to 5.7 meters over adjacent equals to, we don't know how many meters, but I'm going to remain it as RT itself. So easy for us all to just recognize that this is the question we are looking for. This is the line, the length of the line that we are finding. So, okay, bring up your RT. Thus, this one, tangent 22 degree, will go down here. This will bring you RT equals to 5.7 over tangent 22 degree. So your RT will be 14.11 meters. So there, this is how you find your first answer. Second question, calculate the angles of elevations from point R from point Q. Okay, R from point Q. I'm going to go with another color. It's easy for you to look at, which is green. I'm going to go with green. Okay, this is the one. All right, and then you need to set the same meniscus level over here, which is this one. And then the angles over here, this is the one that we require because this is the elevation angle, meaning the eyes are looking up. So looking up, so this is the angle from the straight line, meniscus line we have already drawn. So this is the angle. The questions are asking you to find this angle. Again, for this question number 2, how do we answer the question for number 2? I'm going to write it here. All right, we know that 2/3, this is the line because we need this one. So 2/3 out of 5.7 is actually 3.8 meters. So what we have here, let me just redraw this again. This is 3.8 meters with 14.11 meters. All right. Now we are required to find the angles of x. I'm going to put this one or name this angle as x. Thus, again, we have this is the opposite, and then this one, this is again the same. This will remain as hypotenuse, but the line here will be known as your adjacent. Okay, or angles of x degree. This is the opposite line, and then this is the adjacent line. Thus, in order for you to go for this one, okay, sorry, I'm gonna write it here. Okay, for you to go for tangent x now, it's equals to, again, OA, we're using OA, O over A, which is 14.11 over 3.8. Now, your x should be equals to, now I'm going to bring your tangents to the right side. So you have tangent, inverse tangent of 14.11 over 3.8. And this will lead you to 74.9, but you have to press this button so that you'll get 74 degree 55 minutes. So that, because the question says you have to answer it in degree and minutes, so this is the one. Okay, hope this will be very helpful to you. Okay, cayo guys, selamat berusaha.